Today's strength is gonna be a killer on your triceps, shoulders and chest muscles. It's gonna be every minute on the minute, and we're gonna be doing 12 minutes totally today. So that means every round will be a minute long, and we'll be working out for a total of 12 minutes. Now each of the minutes we're going to be working for approximately 30 seconds, maybe even less, depending on what weights you have. Working for around 20 seconds to 30 seconds and resting out for 40 seconds or 30 seconds. Minute 1, as many good reps as possible of push-ups, and minute 2 we're going to be doing strict press depending on the weight that you have. So if you have a heavy dumbbell, then you can do a strict press. If however you don't have heavy dumbbells, you can either do a handstand push-up strict, or we will be working on our pike presses. Okay, so enough of options for the second minute. We'll take a look at each of the individual exercises. First, for the push-ups, we want you to keep your body straight, your core engaged at all points of time. We want your reps to look good. So work on your form, make sure your coach is watching you, go down all the way and come up, making sure that your shoulders or your elbows are closer to your body than splayed out. If this is difficult, your first scaling option is to place your knees on the floor and to finish your reps. The next minute, we're going to be doing strict presses with one hand if your dumbbell is pretty heavy for 30 seconds. So bring the dumbbell all the way down, make sure your elbows pointing forward, keep your core engaged and press the weight up into an overhead position, locking out your elbows. Now, if you're going to be using this option, then the first round you will be using only your right hand. The next round, when strict press comes again, you will use and change your hand and do the same number of reps with the other hand. Now, for those of you who don't have heavy enough weights, we are going to change the exercise and do strict handstand push-ups instead. For that, we are going to kick up against a wall and slowly descend onto an object. If you can't do it all the way down, if you can't bring your head to touch the floor, that's fine also. Find an object you can touch the top of your head to, and then get back all the way up and extend your arms. Give me good reps, guys. If however this is also too difficult for you, another great option which I personally love is the pike press, which starts off in a downward dog position with your knees straight. You're going to descend slowly by bending your elbows towards your feet and touching the top of your head on the floor, and then pressing up, back up, and locking out your elbows. You can also make this a little easier, the pike press, by placing an object on the floor like a couple of books, so that you only touch your head to that and back up.